If you want to make your OBS streams or recordings look a bit nicer, adding overlays, images, or videos is the way to go. Let me walk you through how to get overlays into OBS Studio. First, head down to the Sources panel. Right-click anywhere in that panel, choose Add Source, and then choose Add Image. I'm adding my channel logo here, so I'll name this source something like Logo Frame. Click the Browse button, find your image file on your computer, select it, and hit OK. You could pick an image slideshow too, but for now, I'll just stick with a single image. Once the image is in, you'll probably need to resize it and move it where you want it. Just grab the corners to resize, or for a quick fit, press Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+O+F on a Mac. That'll scale it to fill the screen, then you can adjust it from there. Adding a simple static image overlay is basically that same process. Now, for a video file, it's pretty similar. Right-click in Sources again, but this time choose Media Source. I'll name this one Video Overlay. Hit Browse again and find your video file. Just so you know, I grabbed this particular one from decktz.com. Once it's loaded, make sure you click the loop checkbox right here. That keeps the video playing continuously instead of stopping after one run. Click OK again and resize. If your video has a green screen background you want to remove, we need to add a filter. Click the Filters button for this source, then hit +sign to add a new filter and pick Chroma Key. The default name is fine. You'll see it instantly removes that green background. When you're happy with how it looks, just close that filter window. One last thing about positioning. Remember, the order in the sources list matters. Sources at the top show up in front of sources below them. So if your overlay needs to be on top, just use the little arrow buttons in the Sources panel to move it higher up the list. Alright, so that's the basic idea for getting overlays into OBS, whether it's an image or a video file. Hope this helps you spruce things up a bit. If it did, giving the video a like and subscribing to the channel really helps me out. Drop a comment saying like too, so I know who to thank personally. Take care, and see you next time.